Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do erupting volcano. So for that we are gonna need a lot of stuff. Let me just put the tray. We are gonna need a beaker, flask, spoon, stirring stick tray, red color, liquid soap, citric acid, and baking soda. So first we are gonna have to fill the flask 30 ml of water. So I got some water right here, 30 ml. So first 25 and then 5 because beaker is only 25. I should be careful about this one. Very careful. Very careful. Oh my gosh. So guys, we did a little over. That's not good. So I'm gonna pour some back into the glass. And yeah, this goes into the flask first. Actually, we are gonna have to be doing this on this tray. So this and this. I'm gonna remove this out of the way and everything. Yeah, everything is removed out of the way except this. Now this goes to this. And then 5 ml of water again. 5 ml. Whoa. That's perfect. It's 5 ml flowing in the beaker. And now from that 4 spoons of baking soda. Actually I just now this and now baking soda. I should be very careful because last time I did a snow party, it's filled and some filled up. It should not happen again. Oh my god. I'll clean it later. I should have done these things on this. Anyways, 4 spoons. This is 1 spoon going inside this. I'm very curious. 1 spoon. Two spoon. Three spoon and 4 spoon. Next, as now we need add red color, mix well, stir 32 times. So 4 drops of red color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are gonna need a stirring stick 32 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 32, 33. Next, we are gonna need 15 ml in this by the water. That is all. Now this time I'm putting it on the tray, and now we need like 4 spoons of critical acid. This time I'm doing it on the tray because we know what last time happened. Oh my god, it's like sugar literally. Oh my god. Anyways, 4 spoons. Ah! 4 spoon. second spoon. Next, we are gonna do in this. First, we are gonna stir it 32 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. So now we are putting liquid soap in this. 6 drops. Right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, stirring it 32 times. Again, 1, 2. So guys, it's ready and it's stirred, and now we are gonna pour the solution into this quickly. Let's put this. He's my dad helping me. Whoa, that's a massive volcano. Arish, volcano.
Wow.
That's a volcano, definitely. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was so fun. Bye. Bye. Huh? Like and subscribe. Bye.